In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam logged-in devices. This is a quick but important check that helps you see which computers have access to your Steam account, so you can make sure everything looks familiar and secure. Start by opening Steam and signing in if you aren't already. We'll be using the desktop app for this walkthrough because it's the most straightforward view for account settings. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile name there, often next to your avatar. Click that name to open a small menu with several account options. From that menu, choose Account Details. This takes you to your account management area where Steam groups together settings related to purchases, contact information, and security. Give the page a moment to load, depending on updates. The layout may vary slightly, but the options will be in the same general place. Next, select Security and Devices. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe and shows you the devices and sessions connected to your Steam profile. It's the right place to review what's currently authorized to use your account. On the Security and Devices page, scroll down until you see the Authorized Devices section. This is the list you are looking for. Here, Steam shows the devices that have been approved to access your account. Typically through Steam Guard, you'll usually see the device name and when it was last used, which is helpful for confirming that it's a machine you recognize. For example, you might see your main gaming PC, a laptop you use when traveling, or an older computer you've used in the past. Take a moment to read through this list carefully. If everything looks familiar, you are in good shape. If something stands out, maybe a device you don't recognize or a recent activity you don't remember, that's a sign to review your account security right away. As a general best practice, keep Steam Guard enabled and use a strong, unique password. It's also a good habit to periodically revisit this page, especially after using a public or shared computer, replacing hardware, or logging in from a new location. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.